Hi YouTubers, how are you? Hi everybody. This is my version, so-called not 3D, MCPXBL2 with the longer blades. And see, the blades are so long that I had to make extension here, not to touch. See, even that, you can touch it almost, right? You can touch it. So that's why I say this is not 3D version. The blades are longer, and if you ask me, nicer, because if you don't want to use the record these details here, I'll just put a touch of glue, but basically I just squeezed that and made my own soldering here. Not so neat, not so nice. Yeah. Is it sharp? I hope it's sharp. So just to see the my job soldering stuff. So I made this too. I improved it because this one of the pins just went down inside. So I put the glue and everything is nice. So you see all the stuff around. My new improvement. I cut also that's the original, but I bought this one that's original from 130X. I cut it down and I made another. I cut it out, so I made another stuff. And I bought also another battery. It's already, so it's 8.2, 8.3, that's good enough. Just want to show you this battery. It's really good. Original battery is, let's see, original battery is, whoops, 17.2 grams, and this one is 16.2. Can you imagine, right? Like this, 17.2, and this one is 16.2. That's amazing. These blades are a little bit differently shaped, also from 130X, but 3.3, 6.8. Original one out here, 3.3, 6.3. So exactly the same. This, I cut this thing too, so I can easily put it around here and then push it if I want it a little bit further or back. I push it around that, and then together with this comes to, and this lighter cabin comes to 71.5. So it's even less than with the carbon fiber. Boom. 72.4, right? The other one was like 71.4. And original, this piece, carbon piece, is 2.5 millimeters by 14. And you can see here, because of the longer blades, I had to extend it for about 15.5 altogether, from here till the end of the tail rotor. So 1 centimeter longer. Anyway, that's, now see how it flies. I think it flies nice because it's kind of softer flying. Yeah, the blade itself, blades. So 136 from this bolt till the end. 136. Original is 117. So altogether, instead of 226, this one is 304. So 30 centimeters and 5 millimeters. Let's see how it flies. I put the volume down here so it doesn't make too much noise. It's only 20, right?
Volume 20.
Volume 20.
Hold mode.
And I added
Cut.
throttle cut. There is a reason I added throttle cut. Look at this here. So I have a light makeup, and I was hit here with the smaller blades, with these blades, in the mode blue, so intermediate mode. So it means it's like, just see the difference between these guys and these guys. See, about 21 millimeters longer blades. So I was hit here, so even with the 70 grams, but this is like 3.5 grams, but it has a speed, it has penetration. It hit me here and basically cut my skin a little bit and made this bruise. So it's better not to play with this close to your face because it's very dangerous. It's not gonna make a big damage, but eye is sensitive. Plus I added this thing here, see, small toothpicks to accommodate the brand new design, the cabin, right? So, see, good. Now, because this cabin is a little bit wider, I put that extensions for the nice fit for the grommets. See here, fits nicely, and here I made the holes for these guys. So one here, no grommets, one here, grommet, and the tape. And I think it looks cool. I don't know, maybe it's just me. I cut it all the way so it doesn't stay in the way of the moving servo arms. So servo arms is called.
Throttle cut.
So it moves freely. Let's see how it works. Okay. You can come here. You can record a little bit from there, but then basically you can come here. Because we want to be safe, right? You can come, just stay behind me. We can go.
Hold mode, normal mode, stunt 1, normal mode.
So, green. You can record him actually. That's okay. You don't have to come close. Wee. Angry bird. I think it's pretty stable. I need to maybe lift a little bit the servo arms a little bit more because it's kind of have a tendency to have a higher speed than normal. But I like the colors. I need to slow down the head speed. It's kind of twitchy, but it does hold nicely. Oh, sorry. Okay, sitting position. It's easier. Ooh. It is. It's responsive. Not too close to my head anymore. So 2 minutes flying time. With this battery and with this setup with the longer blade, I found it flies a little bit longer. Not too much, because this is like a scale flying. Easy flying, not too much changing of the direction, right? But it can fly up to like 8 minutes instead of 7 minutes, so slightly longer. Maybe that's the reason, because I'm not flying in the higher the rate. I'm gonna start now in the higher rate maybe, just to see with the speed in the higher rate. So I'm changing now to the blue mode. Higher speed. Ooh, very twitchy. Wow, very twitchy. Now let's turn it into the green mode. It's just safer. I want to see how it's spool up doing. First tail order. Not bad. I think it's kind of softer than when it was with the smaller blade. Seconds to 5 minutes. My timer is 5 minutes, so it's pretty good, right? Very stable. So if you fly close to yourself, at least you don't fly. You can come on this side. It's perfect. You can see the nice color. I'm seeing. You can at least if you fly close to you, you fly not in the eye level at least. Come behind me, I think it's the best view. But yeah, you're gonna see what I see. I like the colors, right? It's very stable. It's just nice to fool around in the kitchen and in the house if you're safe. And if you just take precautions to fly safely. Maybe we're gonna go for landing. Let's do it a little bit over there, and then come back. Yeah. Let's go a little bit like this. Let's see if we can land it nicely. I'm sure we can land it nicely. See? So hold mode, throttle cut, and then you can take it off. I think it's nice. I love it. I like it. And this is a reminder to be safe. Like, even with all the precautions and everything, you still can can make some damage. I like this stuff. I really like it. Fits nicely in the box. I tried it already. It's very nice. Remove it. And I'm proud of this thing here because it's really, and the battery is like lukewarm, not even warm, because it's nothing really acrobatic happening here, right? That's about it. Crazy stuff. Fly safe. Thanks again. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Thanks for watching. Be good. Okay, shut up. Bye bye.